teachers and my dear friends. My name is Aiza Ahmed from 3rd D. Today I am gonna deliver a speech on Indian Independence Day. Tryst with Destiny is a speech delivered by Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, on the eve of India's independence towards midnight on 14th August 1947. On the stroke of midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. A moment comes which comes but rarely in history, when we step out from old to new, when an age ends and when the soul of a nation gets oppressed finds utterance. I conclude by once again extending my warmest wishes and greetings on 74th Independence Day. We should remember the great responsibility on us towards a better India and a better society. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Good morning to all respected teachers and all my dear friends. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. My name is Anjana Nadeem and I study in class 3rd. Today, 15th August 1947 is a very important day for all of us because on this day, on 15th August 1947, our country was free from the British rule. The sacrifice of many people is hidden behind the independence of our country. We respect those sacrifices. We have got the freedom from the tireless efforts of freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Abul Kalam Azad, and many more. These great personalities will always be in our hearts. Now, our annuals. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Myself Ridhima Singh Bess, and I am from class 3rd D. Today is a very special day to every Indian. We celebrate Independence Day to pay tribute to our great freedom fighters who gained independence from India's struggles and sacrifice. It reminds us the feeling of nationalism and patriotism towards our nation. With pride, all Indians celebrate Independence Day. We all should help our young generation to understand the importance of this day. Every Indian, whether rich or poor, having different caste or culture, comes together to celebrate Independence Day every year. Jai Hind.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and all those who are listening to me. My name is Sangvi Doskar. I study in class 30 of Carmel Convent School. My topic is my country, India. India is my country, and I am proud to be an Indian. India is the 7th largest country in the world and the 2nd most populated country in the world. India is also called Bharat, Hindustan, and Aryabhat. India is a peninsula, which means it is surrounded by oceans from 3 sides. India got independence on 15 August 1947. The national flag of India is tricolor, saffron, white and green. Ashok Chakra in the middle stripe. The national anthem of India is Jana Gana Mana. The national song is Vande Mataram. The national flower is lotus. The national animal of India is tiger. The national bird is peacock. The national fruit of India is mango. The national game is hockey. The Hindi is the national language of India. Delhi is the capital of India. In India, there are 28 states and 9 union territories. I love my country very much. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Sweekriti Tehliani. I am from 3rd D. Today I will speak a speech on topic My India. India is my country. It has one of the oldest civilization in the world called Indus civilization. civilization, which taught the world how to live in a civilized manner. There were great emperors like Samrat Ashok, Akbar, Charles, and many more. India has a vast legacy of unity in diversity of religions, languages, tradition, and cultures. India has a rich experience of freedom struggle of almost 100 years. India got freedom in 15th August 1947. Now, after 73 years, it is our duty to make this great country educated, developed, and free from corruption, poverty, unemployment, and let us make this world leader of this world, India. Happy Independence Day. Thank you.